Welcome to Wisconsin Homestyle Kitchen with Alice in Dairyland. Today I am making pork tacos using ground pork. This is just one of the many ways that pork can be used in your everyday recipes. Pork is a versatile protein source and is packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It's taco time! Woo! My pork taco meat is done and I'm ready to assemble my taco. My pork tacos are ready, and this is just one way that you can utilize ground pork. For more recipes and different ways that you can use pork, visit the Pork Checkoff website, pork.org. Enjoy!